Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Kids Discovery Toys is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial categories of products you can introduce to your children, offering a gateway to learning, creativity, and endless fun through interactive play. These thoughtfully designed toys go beyond simple entertainment, actively stimulating young minds, encouraging problem-solving skills, and fostering a natural curiosity about the world around them, making them an invaluable addition to any child's developmental journey. Number 5. National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit. Give your child the thrill of digging in a real gem mine. They can excavate real crystal treasures with this educational and engaging activity that emphasizes fun, exploration, and discovery. Unearth 15 incredible gemstones, including pyrite, amethyst, tiger's eye, and more. This kit seamlessly blends educational value with pure fun, unlike other kids' toys. Everything needed for hours of digging and learning is included. It comes with a dig brick packed with gemstones, a chisel, a brush, and a magnifying glass for inspection. A detailed, full-color learning guide illustrates how gemstones are formed and mined. It also helps young scientists identify each specimen as it's discovered. We are proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. All our products are backed by exceptional service to ensure your experience is stellar. What we like. This kit offers a thrilling excavation experience, allowing kids to discover 15 real gemstones and crystals. It comes with a comprehensive learning guide and a magnifying glass for detailed examination. If you're looking for an engaging and educational activity that sparks curiosity about geology and earth science, this is a fantastic choice for young explorers. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The bright colors and different textures keep my child engaged for hours. It's made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for little ones. Number 4. Tiny Land Fort Building Kit. Introducing the Tiny Land Fort Building Kit, a creative indoor and outdoor toy for kids aged 5 to 12. It's designed to spark imagination and provide hours of fun. With 86 rods and 44 balls, this 130-piece kit is easy to assemble and incredibly versatile. Kids can build castles, tunnels, rockets, and more, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. This kit isn't just for kids, it's a fantastic way for the whole family to bond and create together. Build a giant fort and enjoy endless hours of collaborative play. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This fort building kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, offering a hands-on experience that kids will love. Crafted with high-quality, non-toxic materials, this toy meets strict safety standards. The durable poles and elastic balls ensure safe and long-lasting fun for your children. Tiny Land offers a variety of kits to suit every need, including a special luminous version. Explore the possibilities and find the perfect kit for your little builders. What we like. With 130 pieces, this kit provides endless creative possibilities for building forts, tunnels, and more. It's designed for easy assembly and disassembly, ensuring hours of fun for the whole family. If your children love imaginative play and hands-on construction, this is the perfect gift to foster creativity and collaborative play. What people say. The toy is designed to help children learn about different animals and their habitats. It features interactive buttons that play animal sounds and facts. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play from young children. Number 3. Discovery Kids Neon Glow Drawing Easel. Unleash your creativity with this drawing easel. Its built-in LED lights make your colorful doodles truly shine. This set includes 6 washable markers. Watch as they interact with the light to create dazzling, illuminated masterpieces. Switch between 5 different light modes with a simple button press. Find the perfect setting to enhance your artistic style. Showcase your creations effortlessly. Use the built-in kickstand for tabletop display or mount it on the wall for a stunning effect. Designed for easy transport and organization, this easel is perfect for travel. Keep your markers stored and take the fun anywhere. What we like. This drawing easel uses built-in LED lights to make doodles vibrant and colorful. It features 5 fun light modes and comes with washable markers for dynamic, illuminated masterpieces. If you're seeking a portable and engaging art activity that entertains kids during travel or quiet time, this electronic easel is a brilliant way to ignite their artistic imagination. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills. The colors are bright and engaging for young children. It's a durable toy that has withstood rough play. Number 2. GobiDex Amber Dig Kit. Unlock the secrets of the past with this unique Amber Dig Kit. It's a fascinating journey into ancient organic materials, brimming with scientific and educational value. Each piece holds a real insect, offering a tangible connection to the history of science and natural history. Understand the evolution of life on Earth in a hands-on way. Grab your tools and embark on an exciting excavation. Uncover hidden amber specimens and use the guide to learn about each one. You can excavate 6 insect ambers, just like a real geologist. Create lasting memories as you collect these incredible specimens. Searching for an educational gift? This kit is both fun and informative, sparking curiosity about amber and geology through memorable learning. Dive into subjects like fossil formation, geology, and biology. It's an engaging way for kids to explore the natural world and its history. What we like. This kit allows children to excavate 6 real insect specimens embedded in artificial amber, offering a unique glimpse into natural history. It's a fun and informative STEM activity that encourages learning about paleontology and evolution. If you're looking for a captivating party favor or an educational gift that combines discovery with a touch of the prehistoric, this Amber Dig Kit is an excellent selection. What people say. The toy is designed to help children learn about different animals and their habitats. It features interactive buttons that make animal sounds and display facts about each creature. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play from young children. Number 1. STEM Exploration Electronics Kit for Kids. Unleash your child's creativity with this incredible kit. It allows them to build more than 420 exciting projects, offering endless possibilities for discovery and learning. This kit makes learning the fundamentals of electrical engineering fun and safe. It includes various electronic experiments, like spray modules and RGB lights, to engage young minds. With 35 included circuit parts, children can explore concepts like series and parallel connections. It's an ideal tool for understanding how circuits work, perfect for classroom or home learning. No soldering or extra tools are needed. Everything is included for a seamless learning experience. Simply snap the circuits together on the plastic plate to begin experimenting. A detailed 37-page manual and indicator cards provide clear instructions for 118 different circuit builds. This helps spark curiosity and build confidence as they play and learn. Cultivate a love for science and keep your kids engaged for hours. This kit encourages free assembly, expands thinking, and offers diverse play experiences, making it an ideal gift for curious minds. What we like. This electronics exploration kit enables kids to build over 420 different projects safely and easily, without any soldering. It's a fantastic way to introduce fundamental concepts of electrical engineering and circuit building. If you want to provide your child with a hands-on STEM experience that develops problem-solving skills and sparks an interest in how things work, this is an ideal educational toy. What people say. The toy is designed to encourage exploration and learning through play. Features include interactive elements that respond to a child's actions, promoting engagement. The durable construction ensures it can withstand active play by children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.